Welcome back to my channel Radha Maths Classes. Today I'm going to explain you question number 17 part 1 from exercise 9.2 arithmetic and geometric progressions, and the question is how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3. I'm going to explain you this question in a very simple way so that you could solve each additional question on your own. Pay attention over here. How many two-digit numbers? The smallest two-digit number is 10. Write down here, and the largest two-digit number is 99. Write down over here, right? First you have to write down the smallest two-digit number, that is 10 over here, and the largest two-digit number 99 over here. In this question, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Now you have to take this number 3. Suppose this number is 4, then take 4, and suppose this number is 5, you have to take 5. But in this question, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So I am taking 3. Now divide both the numbers by 3. 3, right? 3 3s are 9 and the remainder is 1. 3 3s are 9, 0. Bring down 9 from the dividend. 9, 3 3s are 9, the remainder is 0, right? Now what you have to do? You have to subtract this remainder from this 3. 3 minus 1, that is 2, right? 2. Now you have to add this 2 to this number, that is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. This is the least two-digit number which is divisible by 3. So write down here. This is the first term, right? And now this 99 is fully divisible by 3. So the largest two-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 99. Now in this question, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So you have to add 3 to each number. Keep adding 3 to the number. 12 plus 3, that is 15. Keep adding. 15 plus 3, that is 18. 18 plus 3, 21, and so on. If you see that this list of number forms an AP, right? This list of number forms an AP. So here the first term A is 12 because the common difference is same. 15 minus 12, 3. 18 minus 15, 3. 21 minus 18, 3, and so on, right? And the common difference is 15 minus 12, that is 3. And we have to find it how many numbers are there in this AP, right? And 99, we know that the 99 is the last term of the AP. Let nth term of this AP be 99, right? I have taken this 99 is the nth term of this AP. So an, it is equal to 99. We have to find the value of n. We know that, all of you know that what is the formula of general term of AP, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. It is equal to 99. Now I am replacing this a by 12 plus n minus 1, and I am replacing d by 3. It is equal to 99. How to solve this equation? Pay attention. N minus 1 into 3. No need to expand this, multiply this 3 by this. No, don't do this. 99, I am shifting this 12 to RHS, that is 12. This n minus 1 into 3, it is equal to 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Now n minus 1 is equal to 87 by, I am shifting this 3 to RHS. 3, 3 to the 6, 7, 8, 3 9s. This n minus 1 is equal to 29. This n is equal to 29 plus 1. That is n is equal to 29 plus 1, 30. This is the answer of your question. It means there are 30 terms, there are 32 digit numbers which are divisible by 3. So you can say there are 32 digit numbers which are divisible by 3. The answer is 30. Thank you.